Thinking about moving internationally to or from Ann Arbor, Michigan? Three Movers is here to help make your relocation simple and affordable. With Ann Arbor's vibrant culture, top universities, and natural beauty, it's the perfect place to start your next chapter. Here's a look at estimated moving costs between Ann Arbor and popular international destinations. Prices vary by home size and season. Contact us for a custom quote tailored to your move. International shipping comes with flexible container options. Full container load, FCL, starts at $797 for 20-foot, $859 for 40-foot containers. Less than container load, LCL, is more affordable for smaller shipments, starting at $79 per cubic meter. These choices help you control cost and volume for your household goods. Ann Arbor offers a rich lifestyle with excellent education, arts, and outdoor activities. Its 4 distinct seasons, from winter snow to vibrant fall colors, bring unique experiences year-round. Plus, convenient transportation options make getting around easy. Make your international move simple and affordable with Three Movers, your trusted partner for Ann Arbor relocations.